Looking for ways to boost your income online? You're in the right place. Welcome to our exploration of legitimate, fast ways to earn money online. In today's interconnected world, the internet offers a plethora of opportunities to increase your earnings. From freelance services to online surveys, affiliate marketing, and more, there's something for everyone. So whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting your online journey, stay tuned. We'll be delving into the nitty-gritty of these methods, providing you with a roadmap to grow your digital earnings. Let's dive into the first method. First on our list, offering freelance services. If you have a particular skill or talent, freelancing might just be the ticket to boosting your income online. Freelancers offer a wide array of services, from writing and graphic design to programming and beyond. The beauty of it, you're selling what you already know and do well. But where do you find the people who need your skills? The answer is freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer serve as digital marketplaces, connecting freelancers with clients who need their services. These platforms house a vast range of projects, meaning there's a good chance you'll find work that suits your abilities. Now, let's move on to our second method. Second on our list, participating in online surveys. This method is a straightforward way to earn money from the comfort of your couch. There are numerous websites out there, such as Swagbucks, Taluna, and Vindale Research, that will actually pay you for your opinions. You simply sign up, take part in surveys, and voila, you're earning. Now, it's important to set expectations here. While completing online surveys can definitely help you supplement your income, it's unlikely to make you a millionaire overnight. But hey, every little bit helps, right? And the best part? You can do it while watching your favorite show or even during commercial breaks. That's it for online surveys. Now, on to our final method. Last but not least, affiliate marketing. Think of it as being a middleman, but in the digital world. You promote products or services and earn a commission for every successful sale made through your link. The beauty of it is that you don't need to create or sell your own product. Platforms like Amazon Affiliate Program, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate have made it simple to start, even for beginners. And there you have it. 3 legitimate ways to boost your income online. So, how about a quick recap? We've explored 3 legitimate ways to boost your income online. First, offering freelance services where you can put your skills to work and provide services to clients worldwide. Next, participating in online surveys, an easy and flexible way of earning some extra cash. Lastly, affiliate marketing, a method that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. Remember, earning money online requires effort and persistence. But with these methods, you are one step closer to boosting your income. Good luck!